Hey, you, quit watching this self-help motivational nonsense. It doesn't work. And here's why. You're missing one crucial skill that's keeping you from truly changing your life. A skill most motivational speakers never talk about. Motivational videos feel good in the moment. They trick you into thinking you're changing, but it's like pouring gasoline on a fire that was never lit. Motivation burns bright for a few minutes, then fizzles out, leaving you right where you started. That's why you can watch hours of hype videos and still go to bed tonight without taking a single step toward your goals. So let me ask you, how many times have you been motivated to better your life, only to quit within a week? Probably one too many. Right now, you want to know the skill that will finally break that cycle. And that skill is discipline. Discipline is the key that unlocks the life you actually want. You've heard the word before, but here's the truth. Most people have no idea how to actually use it. That's why I created a science-backed blueprint for building real discipline, laid out in an easy-to-follow guide that can transform your life forever, if you stick with it. The truth is this: motivation won't give you results. It only gives you a temporary ego boost. But discipline? Discipline doesn't care how you feel. It doesn't need hype. It's the relentless force that makes you show up when you're tired, push when it's boring, and keep going when nobody is cheering. Motivation might get you started, but discipline is what keeps you going until you win. If you're done living the same year over and over, it's time to stop chasing dopamine from motivational manifestation and self-help videos. Start building the iron will of discipline. Because the life you want isn't waiting for you to feel ready. It's waiting for the version of you who does the work every single day, no matter what. By now, I hope you're ready to finally take control of your life. My book, Life-Changing Discipline, is exactly what you need. Inside, you'll discover proven methods to build real discipline, the kind that keeps you consistent when motivation fades, destroys excuses before they control you, and gives you the confidence to finally achieve your goals, whether it's in fitness, relationships, career, money, or personal growth. Don't wait another day. Click the link below, grab your copy now, and start building the life you deserve.